Hey everybody, this is Ori from MasterWeb. I'm going to introduce to you today a tool by Shopify called Linkpop. It just got released a few weeks ago, and I want to introduce to you what it is and show you a little bit about how it works so you have an idea if you want to use it or not. Okay, so what is Linkpop first of all? It's a way for you to create a special URL that you can send to friends, to other bloggers, to partners, and put on your social media account that people can go and click on that link and see some products that you're selling and immediately buy from there rather than having to go to your website. It's a very simple one. It's really meant mostly for mobile, but it works obviously on desktop, and it's a simple way. So for example, I have a demo store that I set up for this video, and I have a URL that I set up called linkpop.com/whatever name I want. This is my URL. So for example, Mint Story. I can give anybody that URL or put on my Twitter account or Instagram, etc. And then it'll actually have my logo and some information about myself, links to other social media, for example, my website, my Facebook, etc. Other links that I want, and most importantly, products that I want to sell. So customers can actually go, they can actually view my products, and they can buy here. They don't need to go to my website. They can go and they can basically go to checkout, and when they click on checkout, it'll go to my Shopify's checkout and they can buy quickly, and then it'll be inside my admin store and I can ship that product to them. Okay, so let's show you a little bit about this tool, a little bit stuff about it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Shopify store, and what you want to do is you want to connect Linkpop. Okay, so what do you want to do? You want to go to a sales channel and you want to add it as a sales channel. Okay, so let's do that. And let's see what's going on here. Okay, so if I've already done it, but what you're going to do is you're going to click on sales channel right here, and you're going to add Linkpop right here. Okay, and I've already added it, so you'll have a link right here, and you're going to click on go to Linkpop, and you're going to see all the setups. It's very, very simple. The first thing is when you set up, you're going to have a URL. You're going to have to put in the URL right here, which will have a unique one for you. So if you're Nike, for example, it would be linkpop.com/Nike or whatever you registered. Now, all you need to do is, this is how it's going to look like we saw before. You need to customize your information here. So first of all, what you want to do is put in your bio. For example, this is your URL. You're going to put in your logo. You're going to add the logo, which is here. You're going to put in the name, the description. You're going to put all these social media links if you want. You want a link to your Shopify store, a link to all your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. And so once you do that, you're going to actually customize. The next step is to customize your layout, which there's really not that much you can do. Change the font, change some colors. Obviously, you want to fit it more to the your brand. And then the most important thing is to add types of links. So right here, if you see this section right here, these are regular links. You can link to your homepage, link to a contact page, an external link. And then all the sections below from here below are all of your products. These are what they call the shoppable links. So for example, if I want to add a link right here, I want to let's say FAQs, and I'm going to link to my store. Let's say mintstory.myshopify/FAQs. Okay, and you can also upload a nice image, which I recommend to do. Okay, so once you do that, you can actually publish the changes, and then it'll be inside your links right here. You see I have a new FAQ. And then most importantly are your products, right? So I'm going to click on a shoppable link. I can browse my catalog from my Shopify store. For example, I want to select this one. I click on select. I can specify the product name. For example, Gizmo, okay, etc. And that's it, and I can move, and that's it. So I have my links. You can see I can drag them, I can move them, I can change the order, etc. And that's it. And you're gonna, once you finish, you click on publish, and that's it. So the last thing, what you want to do is obviously take your URL, which is right here. You can copy the link or copy it here, and you're going to put it on your Twitter account, Instagram, Facebook, etc., etc. And you can also send it to partners or other people that want to promote it. Or your partners, etc. So the last thing you have here is a very basic, once you start using it, you're going to have some basic analytics. It's super basic. It's really, really simple. You're going to select your time frame, for example, right here, and you're going to see how many people clicked on your links, how many people visited, and that's it. And you're going to see link performance, which products and which links were clicked on more, and that's it. And this will just link to your regular Shopify reports themselves. So hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys use it, what you think about it. It's free. It's pretty nice. Again, I really think it's mostly for smaller businesses. You can use it also with the very basic $9 a month Shopify plan, I believe, and obviously other plans as well. Let me know what you think about it if you guys use it. Hopefully they'll be adding more analytics in future and some more features, but it's a pretty nice tool. It's pretty simple. Appreciate you guys watching our videos. We'll be making more and more. Thanks.